What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Altcoin Buzz. So, sitting here looking at the market, as you can see, Bitcoin is definitely taking a ride downward, and this happens. We've been here before. If you've been in crypto for a while, I don't know how long. I don't think we've got too many new users on here, or new viewers on here. So, you can see on GDAX, these red candles are strong. They just keep coming in. So, um, we've really watched this take place over the last 12 hours, going from 8,600. There's just not enough volume. There's just, there's just no real volume, and Bitcoin can't. It hasn't been able to get up. It hasn't been able to climb. Uh, let's take a look here at the 7-day. Okay, so it's just been running sideways. I mean, Bitcoin over the 7 days, and even over the last month or so, really, there's just not enough volume to justify any sort of movement upwards, which means that the market cap's going to go down, and so is the price of Bitcoin, and that means all the other altcoins are going to follow. Ethereum now dipping below $500. We haven't seen that. Well, we'll see how long, but Ethereum's been running sideways at $500 for a while now. So, what's driving this? Like, what's the deal? It's just there's not enough volume, and we got tax season coming up, and I mean, Ether was just running sideways at that 530 range, and it just couldn't get over the hump. So, what's next? That means we're going down, right? So, we got tax season coming. People saying they're putting more money in. Big investors, they've got a big meetup in New York. I want to say May 10th to May 12th. So that big meetup, it costs big money to show up to that. And being that it's in New York, that's pretty big news. Last May there was the New York agreement. So we'll see what happens here in May. I'm not getting my hopes up too high for April. Not getting my hopes up really for anything too amazing for crypto, because if I get my hopes up, then I'll give myself potential to get let down. But here's something that CoinDesk said. BTC has been running sideways in a narrow range over the last week, but a drop toward 8,000 may be on the way, the technical studies indicate. So I'm back in the mindset of where are the buying opportunities? That's where I am. That's my opinion on it. That's what I do. When the market goes down, I look at the buying opportunities, because I'm not here to get sour about anything. And if we even check this out from Cardano, I mean, they tweeted this out 5 hours ago. Good news for cryptocurrency. You've got the G20 countries on here. You could see China is illegal. China, out of all of those, is the only one that has made cryptocurrency illegal. But the word on the street is they're looking to fix that. But they have to regulate it in a way that they like it. But look at these countries: Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Korea. They've restricted cryptocurrency. So what happens if in July? Let's just put a hypothetical out there. So July, that's our target range, right? So we've got the May conference in New York. Okay, so we should have no real reason to be ambitious. If it goes up, great. But we have really no reason to be overly excited until at least May. And then May, we don't really have any reason to be overly excited because we're still waiting on the G20, which happens in July. I believe it's July. So what happens in July is going to be big for us. So here we are coming into April, May, June, July. That's about 4 months, guys. So I'm mentally preparing for 4 months. If it happens sooner, great. But, that's just kind of where I have my mindset. And I'm just kind of spitballing with y'all. Now, look at this. GDAX, we've reached 8,000. So, really peeled back. I mean, some of these day traders are loving this. I mean, they're loving these swings. I can see why. But if you're not too many people are successful at day trading, so it's like the market's always doing the opposite of what most people are thinking it's going to do. Although TA has indicated, you know, that because we've been below 9,000, that we're stuck going lower until we can climb back over that. So we'll see. We'll see. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think of Bitcoin price action right now. Where you think we're going with Bitcoin. I mean, you guys are veterans by now. You've been doing this for a while, so I know we all have. I mean, it's not our first rodeo, right? So we'll see you guys next time.